Turmeric, a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Its primary active compound, curcumin, is responsible for many of its health benefits. Here are some of the key health benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to many diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. It may help manage conditions like arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and other inflammatory disorders. 2. Antioxidant effects. Turmeric boosts the body's antioxidant capacity, neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. 3. Supports brain health. Curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that supports brain function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It may also improve memory and cognitive function. 4. Heart health. Turmeric may improve endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, which helps regulate blood pressure and blood clotting. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. May help prevent cancer. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the spread of tumors. It may also enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy and protect healthy cells. 6. Supports joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and stiffness in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 7. Aids digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which aids in digestion and may help alleviate symptoms of bloating and gas. It may also help manage conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 8. May improve mood and reduce depression. Some studies suggest that curcumin can boost serotonin and dopamine levels, potentially improving mood and reducing symptoms of depression. 9. Supports immune function. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can strengthen the immune system and help the body fight infections. 10. Skin health. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help with skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It may also promote wound healing and reduce scarring. 11. May help manage diabetes. Curcumin may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting people with type 2 diabetes. 12. Liver health. Turmeric supports liver function by enhancing detoxification and reducing oxidative stress in the liver. Tips for maximizing benefits. Pair with black pepper. Piperine in black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Combine with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so consuming it with fats, like olive oil or coconut milk, improves absorption. Consider supplements. Curcumin supplements with high bioavailability are available for those seeking higher doses. Precautions. Turmeric is generally safe, but high doses or long-term use may cause digestive issues. It may interact with blood thinners, diabetes medications, or other drugs, so consult a healthcare provider if you have underlying health conditions. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, e.g., in curries, teas, or smoothies, can be a simple way to enjoy its health benefits.